Hey everybody, welcome back to Morning Joe with Mr. Scow. I'm Aaron Scowcroft. Today I actually don't have a coffee with me, so bear with me. I'm on my way to the office for my morning commute. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday I drive in and get some office paperwork done and get any closing situations taken care of beforehand. But anyway, enough about that. Today we're going to be talking about credit repair, and I have a pretty simple tactic that's easy to use, and being as I just freshly got into the real estate industry, I racked up a lot of credit card debt. And then on top of that, it was Christmas time. Had to buy gifts for my son, my girlfriend, and a lot of family members and stuff. And with that, comes a lot of credit card debt. And for those of us not in very strong financial situations, it can get overwhelming. You're looking at all your balances and you're thinking, crap, what am I going to do? So I'm just going to throw an example out there just to kind of get us started. So you say you've got 5 credit cards, 3 balances of $1,000, 1 balance of $500, 1 balance of $250. The strategy you're going to want to employ here is you're going to want to look at your monthly minimum payments for all these credit cards. Assume the $1,000 probably between $25 and $50 a month. Your $500 and $250 credit cards are about $25 a month. And the way you're going to want to pay this down is pretty simple. You want to pay down the smallest credit card balance first, your $250 a month balance. So what you want to avoid doing is paying more than a minimum payment on the larger credit cards. You want to make your minimum payments on every single credit card except for the one that you're trying to pay off. So you have a $250 card and you were paying, let's say, $50 on every single card. So you have $250 that you're able to spend on credit card balances. Reduce that spending to $25 on the top 4 credit cards, so $100, and then the remaining $150 you'll spend on the $250 balance. Should take you 2 months to pay that one off completely. The benefit? Now you've got that extra $25 a month that you would have to spend on your minimum payment to sling around to help you pay off your other cards. So now you've got $275 that you could potentially spend on minimizing your credit card debt. Your $500 card, 2 months go by, minimum, and you sling whatever extra you can. Let's say it's $175 now, and it's going to take you about 3 months, and you'll pay that card off. Now you've got another $25. Now you've got $50 extra that you can spend per month. You've got 3 cards at $1,000 each. Now you can probably put about $200 a month down on one of those cards. So in about 5 months, you can have a $1,000 card paid off. I mean, you can see it could take probably about 20 months or so to get all your cards paid off, which would run you into the next Christmas. But I think the main takeaway here is the strategy behind paying off the lower balances. Not everybody's credit situation is the same. So if you have a bunch of small balance credit cards, you're probably in a better position because, I mean, granted, you're spending more on monthly minimum payments across the board, but it's easier to pay them off. So that's my little tidbit on getting your credit cards paid down over the holiday season. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to contact me via cell phone, 802-777-4747. Call or text works great. Or you can email me at aarons@homesvermont.com. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Have a great day.